The 2019 Geico ESPN High School Football Showcase, presented by Buick, is brought to you by Geico. 15 minutes could save you 15% or more.
Kennedy Catholic trying to hold on against Bethel. Long ball from Heward to start things off. Tenai looking down the field. This time a man beat. It's a touchdown. Heward drops a dime to Reed Schumpert.
Well, the magic of this offense is that you have guys flying down the field, and Sam Heward does a fantastic job of looking off.
Sam Heward, 1st and 10, trying to put the cherry on top here. And he's going to look downfield. Got a man open. What a grab in the back of the end zone. Baker rips it out of the sky. That's 6. Heward to Baker. What a catch.
Up for the high one.
Here comes the blitz. Lobs it up, and nobody on Alexander. If he can track it down, and he does. Junior Alexander. Here's Junior Alexander giving it to him across the
magic Sam Heward has left in his pocket tonight, because I know one thing, you want to get J.R. Alexander the ball. That's for sure.
They will throw it this time. Heward looking down the field in that corner out. Tenai got his feet in. Why not throw it when you got that guy at the quarterback spot and those weapons?
Being part of the ESPN High School Showcase is a real honor and a great platform to not only showcase the state of Washington in high school football, but all players across the country.
Mark Iddens for Bethel said about this Kennedy Catholic offense, talked about how they were one of the most potent in the country. He said, look, we know they're going to score.
There's a moment in your bones when the fire takes over. Blood is running, heart is pumping as the battle gets closer. They can say what they want now, 'cause we'll be screaming out, we can be heroes everywhere we go. We can have all that we ever want. Swinging like Ali, rocking our bodies, standing on top like a champion. Keep your own silver, give me that gold. You'll remember when I say we can be heroes everywhere we go. Keeping us down is impossible, 'cause we're unstoppable. Oh, we're unstoppable. Oh, we're unstoppable. Every spotlight, every soundbite, everybody who gave up is just a fuel for wanting him more than anybody against us. They can say what they want now, 'cause we'll be screaming now, we can be heroes everywhere we go. We can have all that we ever want. Swinging like Ali, rocking our bodies, standing on top like a champion. Keep your silver, give me that gold. You'll remember when I say we can be heroes everywhere we go. Keeping us down is impossible, 'cause we're good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before. No, I get a good feeling, yeah.
Yes, I can. Doubt, better leave. I'm running with this plan. Pull me, grab me, crabs in the bucket can't have me. I'll be the president one day. January 1st. Oh, you like that gossip? Like you the one drinking what gossip.com. Now I got a word for your tongue. How many Rolling Stones you want? Yeah, I got a brand new spirit. Speaking and it's done. Woke up on the side of the bed like I won. Talk like the wind in my chest to that sun. G5 in the US to Taiwan. Now who can say that? I wanna play back. Mama knew I was a needle in a haystack. A body boy, plus way back. I got a feeling it's a rap. ASAP.
Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before. No, I get a good feeling, yeah. Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before. No, I get a good feeling.
The mountaintop, walk on water. I got power, feel so royal. 1 second, I'ma strike for you. Diamond, platinum, no more for you. That adrenaline, never giving in. Giving up's not an option, gotta get it in. Witness, I got the heart of 20 men. No fear, go to sleep in the lion's den. That glow, that spark, that crown. You're looking at the king of the jungle now. Stronger than ever, can't hold me down. 100 miles gunning from the pitcher's mouth. Straight game face, it's game day. See me running through the crowd full of melee. No trick plays, I'm Bill Gates. Take a genius to understand me.
Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before. No, I get a good feeling, yeah. Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before. No, I get a good feeling.
The mountaintop, walk on water. I got power, feel so royal. 1 second, I'ma strike for you. Diamond, platinum, no more for you. That adrenaline, never giving in. Giving up's not an option, gotta get it in. Witness, I got the heart of 20 men. No fear, go to sleep in the lion's den. That glow, that spark, that crown. You're looking at the king of the jungle now. Stronger than ever, can't hold me down. 100 miles gunning from the pitcher's mouth. Straight game face, it's game day. See me running through the crowd full of melee. No trick plays, I'm Bill Gates. Take a genius to understand me.
Sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before. No, I get a good feeling, yeah.
I got my city on lock, I got the internet buzzing. Every song that I drop, you got the fireman coming. Bringing that heat with the CD. When they see me, wanna be me. Better believe that I be free in a big league, not pee-wee. And they got cheese like CC's, I'm never gon' flop. Looking back down from the top, never caught up on a loss. Ballin' cause I've been a boss, they follow me like I'm the law. Put all the weight on my back, gon' be a legend like my name is Shaq. Gon' be a funeral when I attack, so watch how you act. They never thought I could've rapped, damn. I'm one of a kind, that's something. Texas Hold'em, not bluffing. I'm a diamond in the rough, and I'll never be tripping on nothing. They betting on me like Bitcoin, they wanted a steak like sirloin. But I be playing for keeps though, I'm stacking up green like CeeLo. I'm sorry but I had to vent, too many things to get off of my chest. 2018 gon' be bringing more stress, I gotta be ready to handle the mess. Ayy, cleaning it up like a bus boy, but you can find me in a Benz though. All these rappers tryna flex though, but we know that it's a rental. They don't wanna love me till I'm winning, they can't really block me from my vision. I'm just tryna get it how I want it. Now they want me back, but you know that I be running to another level. Running, I won't ever settle. Running, I'ma go and get it. Running, I'm coming for the medal. Running to another level. Running, I won't ever settle. Running, I'ma go I'm just trying to get it how I want it. Now they want me back, but you know that I be running, running, running to another level. Running, 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 I won't ever settle. Running, 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 I'ma go and get it. Running, 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 I'm coming for the medal. Running, running, running to another level. Running, 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 I won't ever settle. Running, 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 I'ma go and get it. Running, 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 I'm coming for the medal.
Think about it, there must be a higher love down in the heart or hidden in the stars above. Without it, life is a wasted time. Look inside your heart and I look inside mine. Things look so bad everywhere in this whole world. What is fair? We walk the line and try to see